Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet components, prepare 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips for that extra rich flavor. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently mix all the wet ingredients. Next, gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Finally, fold in about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips for an extra burst of flavor. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know they're ready to flip when bubbles start to form on the surface and the edges look set. Carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious chocolate pancakes are now ready to enjoy. For the best taste, serve them immediately while they are still warm. You can top them with your favorite maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. For an extra touch, consider a light dusting of powdered sugar or a decadent drizzle of chocolate sauce. These make a wonderful breakfast or a delightful dessert for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.